morning children, welcome to Narana Live classes. Today we are going to discuss the chapter 3 questions. Today we'll do reading comprehension. It's paragraph based questions. First we'll read this paragraph, then we'll discuss questions related to this paragraph. Let's read it. The hermit lived in a wood which he never left. He saw no one but simple people, and so the king put on ordinary clothes. Before he reached the hermit's hut, the king left his horse with his bodyguard and went on alone. As the king came near the hermit's hut, he saw the hermit digging the ground in front of his hut. He greeted the king and continued digging. The hermit was old and weak, and as he worked, he breathed heavily. Now let's discuss the question answers related to this passage. Where did the hermit live? The hermit lived in a jungle. Why did the king choose to wear ordinary clothes? The hermit met simple people only, so the king put on simple clothes to visit him. Why was he breathing heavily? The hermit was digging the ground in front of his hut when the king visited him. That's why he was breathing heavily. Change the adjective heavy into adverb. Heavily. If we'll add ly in heavy, it will become adverb. Now let's discuss another paragraph related to this chapter. Let's read it. The king turned round and saw a bearded man running towards them. His hands were pressed against his stomach, from which the blood was flowing. When he reached the king, he fainted and fell to the ground. The king and hermit removed the man's clothing and found a large wound in his stomach. The king washed and covered it with his handkerchief, but the blood wouldn't stop flowing. The king redressed the wound until at last the bleeding stopped. Now let's discuss the questions related to this passage. The first question is, whom did the king see when he turned round? The king saw a bearded man running towards him. What happened to the man? The man was injured when he reached the king. He fainted. What did the king do to stop the blood flowing? The king washed the wound and covered it with his handkerchief. Who is a hermit? Hermit is a person who lived in solitude. So, this was our assignment. Thank you children. Have a great day. Take care.